Okay, good evening. Just tell me mute your mics. I don't no noise. All right. So I will just repost this thing right now. The link to claim this free MNT token is what I'm going to post on the Telegram. Okay. I will equally leave it on in the video description as well after the live stream. So please, if you have not started participating in this, the rules to get the MMT token is very simple. Okay, so there's about 1 million of these tokens that are being given out. Yeah. Yes. Okay. 1 million of the MMT token that is being given out. So you can come in here and claim your own reward. Okay. Claim your own reward. This is how we make money in this space, participating in campaigns like this and all of that. So the choice is yours, guys. It's not a do or die affair thing. And I'll walk you through on how to qualify for this. Okay. So you collect wishes, okay, and then you hunt for the luck to conquer the ranks, and then you qualify to get this MMC token. And what do you do to claim these wishes and all of that, right? Before we go into the wishes option, if I click on this full ranking option right here, you'll see, those who are qualifying for this, right? Those who are qualifying for this, for instance, this person ranking first. The estimated reward for this person is about 5,000 MMT. This is over $4,000 plus because MMT right now is trading at 8 or 0.9 or thereabout, right? So this second person here qualifies for 3,500, 2,500, and it goes on, right? If I go to the fifth page right here, you'll see that people are qualifying for 200 MMT and all of that going forward. Let's go to page 100. Okay, some persons are qualifying for 12 of the MMT token, and it keep going on. Okay, so what do you need to do to qualify for this? If I scroll down right here, the only available wishes I have right now is 3. That is because I'm holding some MMT token, right? In order to increase the wishes, the more wishes you get, the more fight to get some of these tokens. So in order to increase these wishes, all right? So we have tags that are trading tags. If you go to the trading option right here, so you will need to, if you invite, all right, if you invite a qualified referral, you get some wishes, right? If you convert 100 USDT into MMT, okay, if you have started doing this since yesterday, I started talking about this thing, by now your end would have been in profit already, all right? So let's quickly look at what that MMT token is trading. By the way, I'm on Solana, okay, MNT USDT. We'll come back to SO. Okay, we'll come back to SO. But let's quickly see what the MMT token is trading right now on spot. When we talked about this thing on during the live yesterday, yeah, I think MMT was around that 0.8 or 0.7, I can't really see. And then you see this move, right? We were here sometime today, 0.6. And right now it's up there. So if you monitor this thing and you start doing this convert option, you should be able to make profit. Whenever you're in profit, you just exit, okay? So that's the first option. And then you get wishes, 5 wishes for doing that. And that will qualify you for some result, okay? Right here, if you see the ranking of this person, look at how many wishes this person has actually gotten, right? About 4,000. And then he qualifies to get around 5,000 of those tokens. Then the next one, you need to trade MMT. If you trade like 1K worth of this, you get about 5 wishes. If you trade MMT for 10K, you get another wish. If you trade a volume of 10K plus or thereabout, okay, you get another wish. If you trade 50K, you get more wish. And it goes on, okay? The more you keep trading, the more wishes you get, right? That is on the trading aspect of it. Then you can come here to complete this task. You can learn more about MNT, learn about Cook, okay, and all of this. Just go ahead, answer the questions, and you qualify. If you follow them on X, okay, just go ahead and click on do go option. If you follow them on X, I think, okay, yeah, I've completed that task, so I should get additional 1 wish, right? So once you follow them on X, you do that. If you answer these questions here, you get additional 1. All right, that's on the trading aspect. On the holding aspect, right? If you collect wishes by holding CM8, okay, you can hold that. I think this one I'm already holding. All right, I'm already holding max of 3,000. I don't have up to 3,000. That's why I have 3 wishes. So then MT to have flexible saving. If you are saving MT2, right? I guess that option 2 will equally give you the option to collect wishes, right? Then MNT total flexible saving, if you save up to $1,000, you equally get some wishes for doing that. And the on-chain activities, right? This one, right here, they say copy my code. What's this? The exchange rate between wishes and all of that. I don't understand this one. I've not done it yet. Okay. So you can just try to explore on-chain tags and all of that. So you can just, let's say, if I click on the explore on-chain tags, I don't know what the on-chain activities are actually there. So you can just go ahead and play around with this stuff. Okay, this one has to do with layer 3, whatever. That's when you go ahead and, just play around with that stuff and you qualify. So that's how you can start accumulating the MNT token, right? If you do trading volume and all of that, please make sure you use that link. Come and register. If you don't have a Bybit account already, just sign up on the page, but make sure you indicate that you have registered already. Once you register, you qualify to share this 1 million MNT token that Bybit is giving out. Okay, the choice is yours. Remember, there's a countdown. Round 4 or 5 will end in 3 days. After that, we'll go to round 5, and I think that will be the end or so. After the round 5, that will be the end, right? So take advantage of that right now before this whole thing right here expires. Okay, before the whole thing right here expire, it is yours, guys. Okay, so with that being said, let's do you have questions concerning this?